Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to continue with the next question. For this question, you should have a basic knowledge of some points such that operators, how they are used, which types of operators, okay, operators and how printf scanf actually works behind the scene, everything you should know. So what is the use of the operators topic in this chapter? We are going to use arithmetic operators, that is addition operator, because let's read the question. Like arithmetic operators are many, somewhat I can say addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, modulus, many. Okay, so we're not going to use all of them. So it is not an operators question. I mean, I mean to say that it is not like we have to use all the operators to get the result. We are going to use a single operator, or this is called as a basic formula which everyone has learned in their school life, or maybe in your college life, etc. When you're calculating, everyone knows that. Okay, so let's read the question. Like, if the marks obtained by a student in 5 different subjects are input through the keyboard, write a program to find out the aggregate marks and percentage marks obtained by the student. Assume that the maximum marks that can be obtained by the student in each subject is 100. So, in each subject it is 100. So, the total of all 5 subjects becomes, out of 500, how much he or she has scored, that much we have to calculate. Aggregate marks, we have to calculate total marks. Percentage marks, it can be in percentage and decimal points. For that, as it is a big calculation of this, so we are going to use the data type as a float. So let's jump toward the coding part. Okay, so I have declared the subject variables as S1, S2, S3, S5, and this is for aggregate and this is for percentage. First we are going to enter the mark of subject 1. Let's copy it and also make it, you can use like enter the marks of subjects in one line also, but I want a neat and clean code. You can use this subject 2, 3 and 4, and this is 5. Let's just modify it. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, yep, and this is subject number 2 and this is subject number 3, 4, 5. Okay, next we have to calculate the aggregate of all these subjects. So for AGR we are going to write the total of all. That means we have to add all the subjects. For like you can write the subject name also, according to the semester wise you can calculate. So this is the arithmetic operators, that is addition operator, for you to calculate the total S4, S5 up to this. Now to calculate the percentage, it is equals to aggregate into 100 divided by 500. So usually what people do, like they write this formula and they calculate it. Okay, by this formula the answer will come no doubt, but the one who has a basic knowledge of mathematics, he or she must know that 0 or there you should cancel it. Otherwise, if there is a possibility there's maybe some garbage value can come. So now if I deduct the 0, the formula will become aggregate divided by 5. Okay, now just print the values of these both using the printf function. Okay, so we are going to write first aggregate marks. First to percentage f, we have used that. Oh, there's some mistake from my side. I'm sorry. It should be percentage f here because you have to use the floating point. Okay, so all is clear. Percentage FFF. Okay, this backslash n to go to the next line. Okay, and now just we are going to print it. Printf function is going to print the value, and same here also. Printf percentage marks backslash n is an escape sequence. There are many escape sequences. T, backspace, form field, many. We'll go to look on them in further videos. Okay, so now we are going to print the percentage, semicolon, end of statement. Okay, it's a void. We don't need any written zero and something like that. So now just execute it. Everything is good. Okay. It says there's a mistake. Oh, sorry. I just. Okay. No problem. So I have mistake somewhere here. Yeah, I have written here AG. Be careful while you're declaring the variables. You just don't mistake any of the keyword, otherwise the program won't run. So as it is out of 100, let's enter something 50, 70, 45, passing marks 35, and the last will be 90. Let's see. So the aggregate marks are 290, and percentage that person has got is 58%. So to round off, what we can use? Yep, you guessed it right. Point we can add and we can round off up to that value. Okay, just execute again. Okay, let me enter 50-50. But the percentage of same numbers it's come, like if you calculate the same value, it comes same only. Same. Like same values,